It's pretty wild, but interest in unique stays, including tree houses, has surged by over 40% in travel searches in the last 5 years. People are really looking for something different. So here are the best tree houses and treehouse interiors you will ever see. Beyond residential use, modern tree houses are popular for glamping resorts, unique Airbnb rentals, and even creative workspaces. To be honest, judging by the data, Airbnb hosts are raking in serious cash with these little houses. You'll find tree houses designed specifically for specific tree species, optimizing the structure to fit the natural form and strength of, say, an oak or a redwood. It's a very tailored approach and a pretty cool idea. A big myth about tree houses is that they're just flimsy childhood forts. Not true at all. Modern tree houses are engineered structures, often built to code with professional architects and builders.